Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study Calculus G step by step. Begin by solidifying limits and continuity, then move to derivatives with conceptual clarity. Work on small, consistent practice sessions focusing on technique and intuition. Use solved problems to learn methods and tackle varied JEE-style questions for speed. Review mistakes after each session and refine weaker topics. Stay patient and persistent while tracking progress weekly for steady improvement. Shift from theory to practice by solving problems that reinforce each concept immediately after learning it. Alternate between textbook derivations and JEE past problems to connect ideas with exam patterns. Time yourself on mixed problem sets to build exam stamina and error-checking habits. Formulas should be tools, not crutches, so derive them occasionally to retain meaning. Collaborate with peers or mentors to clarify tricky steps and stay motivated. Adopt exam-focused strategies, starting with high-yield calculus areas like integrals, sequences, and series. Simulate exam conditions regularly and practice selecting questions you can solve quickly first. Keep a small notebook of common shortcuts and trap patterns to review before tests. Build error-check routines that rely on estimation and units to catch mistakes. Balance accuracy with pace, and use mock performance to guide your revision priorities in the final weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.